Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to yet another episode of our YouTube tutorial videos. So, in this YouTube tutorial video today, I'm going to take you through how you can set up and model corner windows to your own convenience, and also how you can be able to position them rightly around walls in your design that you're working on. So before you proceed, I would like you to kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you may not miss any of our upcoming tutorial videos that we'll be putting up in this platform. So let us begin by first profiling a wall that we have that is devoid of any building element so that it can be able to assist us position the corner walls well. So I first want us to view it in 3D just to ensure that we don't have any building accessory that is on that wall. So actually the way I'm moving my cursor is where I will look to position my corner window. So how we'll do that is we'll first locate the corner window tool on our design elements. So we'll just simply click on it. Once we have located it, we'll click on it. Then we'll place it at a convenience point on that particular wall. So for me, I'll simply have it at that. Then yeah, that will be the end of that. So the next thing that we'll do is you simply view it in 3D before you do any customization. So I'll click on the 3D view and see where it is. So I believe you can see that it has simply come to that. So what we'll do next is just to do some small customizations or settings on it. So I'll simply click on it again and click on it. Then click on it. Then I'll come to the settings window. Then I'll improve on the size. I will wish to have it at a height of 2000 millimeters above the ground. Then I'll also need to improve the width. So I'll use 1500. Then I'll click on it. Yes, then we'll view it on the 3D window. That looks nice. Then other minor details that I can also do some editing is on the basic window settings. I'll simply have a fixed glass, but again I'll ensure that I have some search options. I'll use a grid or a horizontal grid for both of them. They have to be uniform. Then I'll click on that. Then I'll see it in 3D. Yeah. So I believe you can do various other customizations based on what you want for your window. You can even improve on the height. You can do something on the height. You can use say 2000, and then yeah, so 2000 is good, and I believe now it looks more appealing, and you can also uh, absorb it as part of your model. So we've come to the end of this tutorial video. Thank you for staying with me along, and please remember to comment, like, subscribe, and even share this tutorial video with your peers. So thank you for this session, and see you in the next video. Bye.